Ica and I have been married for a decade, which makes us both weirdos. So we're on a mission to travel the world in search of our dream life, inspiring you to do the same. But as you know, every journey has its obstacles, and today, an unexpected someone got in between our love bubble. In our last adventure, we fell asleep at this magical resort in Bocas del Toro, Panama, near the famous Bird Island. We really wanted to go and see the hundreds of colorful birds that party there, but the weather made the ocean a little too rough for us to kayak. Now we're waking up here to see if we have a chance to go this morning. And it looks even windier than yesterday. So long, birds, but the universe works in unexpected ways. After breakfast, we hopped on a truck to head to Playa Bluff, where a treehouse awaits us. We have just arrived at Tesoro Escondido. We're going to check in and check out our room. Let's go. Every level of this hotel has its own unique vibe. Our room wasn't ready, so we waited and waited and waited and waited. The beach is right there, but it's so stormy. So we waited some more. And then the unforethinkable happened. Ica was craving sweets. So we went up these mystical stairs and got her some chocolate cake and ice cream, which she wolfed down all by herself, leaving me with the only option to lick the plate. After our sugar high, we mustered up the courage to walk to the stormy beach downstairs.
We checked it out. It's a pretty small beach and the waves are pretty rough over here. We're going to grab our goggles and see if we can go to the other side. I think there's a place to wash our feet.
It's now time to go to
The other beach. Is this still the same hotel? This could be a different hotel. It started raining and I told Kostika to go back and get the umbrella from our black backpack. And it's been like 5 minutes and he still hasn't come back. And it's only like a minute away. This guy is so frustrating. Can't do it anymore. I'm going back myself. What were you doing?
looking for the umbrella.
And you didn't look in the small black backpack? As I
opened the
suggested?
wrong small bag. All right, let's go.
The truth comes out. We were hoping the water would be pretty calm, but it still looks rough over here. I think we should just go grab lunch and then come back when it's a little bit calmer. What do you think?
Let's do it.
Off to Hotel Oasis for lunch. After we get lunch, we can go and check out Playa Bluff. That'll be cool. Oh, it's a taxi. Could have hopped in the back of that. It would be nice to have some bikes over here. I didn't realize the hotel didn't have bike rentals. Might get lucky with seeing the turtles hatch. Maybe even late at night. That's usually when they're hatching. But look at that. We have arrived to Playa Bluff. Bienvenido. Wow, this is gorgeous. Lots of coconuts over here. So I know what we're gonna drink today. But first, we do need to get lunch because we're super hungry. And then we're gonna check this beach out. This looks amazing. And we're definitely gonna try to find a calm spot to swim. Might be impossible today because the waves are pretty rough. But let's go. What are you doing?
A fly went right up my nose.
Lunch, snacks, and drinks. That's where we're going, right there. We have arrived. Shall we eat lunch first and then see what else there is? Or do you want to see the vibe at the other spot first?
Huh?
It says danger riptides.
Brush your teeth.
Oh, this works really well. Okay, they got a little ping pong table down here. Some foosball. And this is where the bathrooms are. So a little beach bar over here. So the bathroom is downstairs behind the ping pong. I don't know, what did you do, babe? Looks like you have a third nipple now. All right, we got the green curry and we got a veggie pizza. Oh, it's really good.
After lunch, we spotted a sideways palm tree. If you saw our Starfish Beach video, you know that we have to do sideways palm tree stuff now. That was exhausting. I'm hungry again. Let's go to BomBom. The view from this lounge is spectacular. Still mad wavy though. We're just gonna veg out here for a while, listen to the waves, and enjoy the patacones and these maracuya drinks. We just left the beach bar. It was super good. I love those drinks, and we had some patacones. And now we're walking down just a little bit further to see what there is over here before we turn around. You want to see if he'll take us?
Yeah.
All right, now we're walking back to the Eco Lodge as quickly as we can go, any way that we can get there. And if I had to guess how far down we are, I'd say we're about 45 minutes to an hour. There's no way we're gonna walk back after all that food and the palm tree stuff. We'll wait at the actual bus stop for as long as it takes.
Got the bus.
You chose to not sit next to me.
I don't want to sit next to you because you're too hot. We didn't know it yet, but back at the treehouse, someone is about to mess with our relationship. All right, guys, so we just got back to the Tesoro Eco Lounge over here, Tesoro Escondido. And when we walked in, this awesome toucan was just chilling. Just chilling over here. Super cool. And I thought he was a statue. What a cool bird. Anyway, so tonight we might see some monkeys, some sloths. I don't know. It's really cool over here though. And I'm really happy that we're staying here tonight. And tomorrow morning, we're heading over to Isla Solarte for 6 weeks. Did this toucan come all the way from the bird island to see us? I told you the universe works in mysterious ways. It turns out her name is Lucy, and she only has one eye. The lovely people at the treehouse give her fruits, so she's very friendly. Anyways, one-eyed Lucy is in love with me, but she doesn't like Ica. What are we going to do? What's my life look like traveling with Lucy instead of Ica? After giving it some thought, Ica and Kostika sounds better than Lucy and Kostika, so we had to break up. I'll always remember you, Lucy. Well, in case nothing else crazy happens tonight, and if you like this video, make sure you check out our last video where we show Bird Island Bungalows, which was an awesome spot. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Me too. Ah. You talking to me?